Faster!
Aye.
She cannot breathe.
She has water.
She needs air. Goodness.
She will escape.
Onward!
We must not stop.
You will walk. Walk or die.
Put your arms around me.
Do not ask for help.
You need it. We're in a hurry, yes?
Don't fall behind.
Hold here till I say.
Such beauty. Surely you're one of God's own creations.
Bring the creature, cover its head.
She has a name!
Pray tell.
She's Serena. I'm sorry, sir.
Your pure life.
Yes.
For me.
You're different. You're not. You know, of kindness, compassion.
Years of sorrow never. Mermaids be too tough for that. Tears of joy. They say these be the more potent anyway.
Susan, on the word, I have no part in this. Let her go, you don't need her now.
Let her go. No. Secure her bonds. We leave her with her own.
You will not take her. You have taken her. Give her back. Give her back.